Good morning to you all. To everyone listening to me, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Unlike me, everyone who is watching me right now, you will know that by now I shouldn't be making a live video. First, I want to say congratulations to Zion and congratulations to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Congratulations to you. The land where you dwell, where you came to build your church. I want to say congratulations to you for what is meted on our people. Before then, according to the information that came to us yesterday, as I am not in the village, I would like us to watch a few of this video before I will go further to explain what happened. Meanwhile, this innocent young man was shot in our own village, in our own dear village, my village. His offense was nothing. Happy New Month. This idiot, oh yeah, come on, get out from here, you. Come on, get out from here. Come on, get out. Come on, get out from here. So, let me see the ones I can play. Ihabonika wa YouTuti. Because of Facebook, I won't be showing it that much. But I don't know how I can show this young man now. Kohara. I have a hospital about this boy. Actually, I'm a private party. I go say so. I don't want to show there. I don't know how I can show this because of Facebook. But here Iban is teaching the boy. Don't know. Like a Facebook. Here Iban is teaching the boy. Like a Facebook. Because of Facebook. Because of Facebook. Yeah, our brother. Yeah, our brother. Because of Facebook. I cannot show it complete. Because of Facebook, we lost this guy over the night in our own village. We lost this guy by name Okechukwu. So this video is best I send it to you on WhatsApp. I can only send you this video on WhatsApp. Maybe if you reach out to me on WhatsApp, I can send all the videos to you so that you watch yourself. The boy in Bona yesterday, they were bringing out bullets. Now who this boy, and on the process he passed on. On the process, the boy passed on. All right. This is son of the soil. This was how the boy ended up yesterday. And for your earliest information, and you're good. If the young man went stealing, I will not talk about it. Immediately I came up here to make this video. One Ugo Ugo and Patrick came and commented rubbish. I had to block him because they don't have conscience. These videos, I'm going to look for a means to make it available. Don't know if if I post it, Facebook will shadow ban it. But I think I will find my way. I will find my way to I'll find my way. But I will tell you exactly what happened. Go and do your findings. It will be exactly what you will still hear. I had to endure. Somebody chatted me on my number, the one that ends with 45, that I should send you the video. I will send it to you. Before I address this, I would plead with our youth to stay calm. I will still advise you to stay calm, even at the face of this impunity being meted upon our people. I urge you to stay calm. I urge you to stay calm. And everything you think you want to do, keep them aside and let due process be followed also. I wouldn't want anyone to take laws into their hands, but because if you do, some of us will no longer speak. We will keep quiet. But the moment you are calm, many of us will lend our voice. Now look at what happened. No, I can just forward the number to the videos to you. The video is about is so many, but the video is many. I was never able to capture. Now look at what happened. According to them, yesterday in our community, majorly in my village, these are things we try to explain to them in the beginning. We have about 14 villages in my own community alone. We have about 14 villages in my community. So according to them, it's like they had an argument with another far village, far from this particular young man's village. What was the issue? Nobody can place it exactly on what happened. They suddenly came to Umocham. And as I am here, we are talking about human life. You have every need to respect yourself on this page, because I'm not going to tolerate you for even a second. So they went to Umocham. They know why they went to Umocham. The police. They went to Umocham. I don't want to describe their vehicle or how they operate in this area. These people are of the activities of when they see our mothers in the farm. I've said this before, they will flog our mothers. That's what they are doing. And we've written to the military in charge of the 82 division. We've written our petitions to him, to their office, and we've also written to the office of the Commissioner of Police, Imo State. On last Easter, on that same Easter Sunday morning, the members of the anti-VAT who came to that same place because of these things I am talking about here, they also came and they went to Okpala, Eziama precisely. They shot one of our brothers That one, the matter is still at the police. While the young guy is in the mortuary, his wife, I posted the video. Till today, nothing has been done. So suddenly, this one, they came up again. Went to Omocham, they didn't succeed in Omocham. I don't know why they went to Omocham actually. So they came back to our market square where we call Afebwe. They came back to Afebwe and they came back to Afebwe market. And all of a sudden, they just came down from the vehicle and started shooting sporadically. Because they saw where youth were seated around Bet Niger, and this is Bet Niger. The opposite is a chemist, the other side is market. So this is one of the places where our people gathers, maybe possibly in the evenings. So this young guy came out from the Bet Niger and saw people running. He decided to run also, even without knowing what was going on, because they were shooting sporadically on white healers. And those are the people. If you go to Zion, ground, we are closer to Zion exactly, or if you cross where they are doing their they are building their hotels. Now if you cross that particular junction to the next place, there is a place where a native doctor once built a hotel. The hotel was almost 80% done. They now compensated the young guy and bought the hotel from the guy. So this particular police team of policemen, unidentified, their vehicle has no plate number, often parks there as their security. The same healers is the healers that came to my village, last night, and they shot one guy from the extreme end village by name Okechukwu. They shot him just like that because the guy had to run for his dear life, seeing them shooting sporadically. After that, there is another young guy again from our village, one of our brothers equally. They ran into a compound, they saw the guy, he's an electrician, a very hard-working guy by name Jude. They first held that one, and the guy was saying he's an electrician and this is what he does for a living here. He came here to work. At the end of the day, those police officers collected 20,000 naira from him and pushed him out of the vehicle. Proceeded to Ebe no mercy. Come on, get out from here, you. Madabuchi Emmanuel. Come on, get out from this page immediately. Don't babu that place, fool. Come on, get out from here. If I see any of their comment, I bar that person away. I don't care, because we're talking about human life. And I talked about this. So, leaving that one, they got to one at exactly my village, my kindred junction. They ran into the shop of one Mr. Godwin Okere. We call him Merciful. They entered there. Okay, somebody say he got the same information. Chidi AK. This is what happened. They entered his shop, saw the man sitting in his shop, held the man again, held one other young guy again, beat hell out of them just like that and moved their heels. So some elders summoned courage and was like asking what happened. We've never seen life like this amongst our people before. What happened? According to them, they say some people entered their place and destroyed their GP tank. That was all. So, if anything had happened, anything of such in our place, if anything happens or you felt that any youth has committed anything, there is no way people can hide from the truth. If anybody commits anything from our village, you come and tell the PG. You understand? You come to our village. So you come to our village. If you complain to the elders, the traditional custodians, we must look for a way to provide the person. That is how we do. That is how we do in our place. We do not support evil. Last time, the first thing they did, the first step this evangelist introduced in our place was he came on live camera and lied that he destroyed 3 kidnappers then in that place. All those things were lies. Come to the village and investigate. The police are active. They can come to our villages. They can come to Ngor-Okpala. Ngor-Okpala is a free place. You can come. Go and do your findings. If that thing is not lies, don't ever regard anything I tell you again. Go to Ngor-Okpala and verify. Nothing like that happened anywhere. But he alleged that on the people of Ngor-Okpala, of which never happened. Leave your religion apart. Leave your differences apart. Leave your sentiment apart. Go and verify if that particular statement was true or lies. They are all lies from the pit of hell, cooked just to blackmail our people. Somebody is saying, Oga, rest. Obina Raymond, say rest over somebody's life. Somebody said they also picked up one boy from Umocham by name Success Okere. Okay. I don't call him name Umocham, but I'm Arumonyo. So you that said, Oga, rest, or you get out from this page immediately. Get out. It is very, very stupid. It is stupid. Stupidity reigns in your vein. It is very, very stupid, because no matter how they describe truth to you, you never understand. So I have no option than to buy you out of this place. Come on, get out from here. Get out from here. That's how I treat them. People don't ever accept it. That is one problem within the Shoji. We are not telling you that we are not telling anybody to come and establish or invest your ministries in our place. You can build anything you like, but hence you follow your due process. Okay, for weeks now you saw me, I kept quiet on that. I don't talk about it again. I just had to ignore, because the people ought to fight for themselves, and I necessarily do not need to. You know, one of our brothers, Dozia, was speaking to him this one, and I said to him, you've tried. You've tried. So our people jitaka defend the two. For me, I just had to go away. This was how they synced the life of this young man, your fellow human being. Sorry, I'm not supposed to show this on camera, because the boy about here, then do our brother. Ojen happened inheritance, lay condition of the boy. This boy died at the spot. I will mind what I will show. Yeah, now our brother. This was how Otake Shibu, this little boy. Well, let me show you. Otake Shibu for this boy. I told me go say about. Yesterday night, this was the struggle. Everybody was on the call. You see some of these idiots. And wait, let me read out your comment before I block you. Onyeka, see, you are trying so hard to implicate Ebuka Obi because they refuse to settle you. This is same thing you didn't to Nwago until he pay you off. You are now his agent. Okay. Me, try for Ebuka Obi to settle me. How? How am I the traditional ruler of my community? Am I the owner of the village? How would they settle me? How? On what ground? On what ground? Some of you, sense are the wrong name. Even if government comes to acquire land, you think I am the third person they will even meet? You think I am the number 800 persons they will even meet? I don't have that capacity there to negotiate for any property. I don't have that, except my own private properties.
This is where your brain cannot. I will block you after now. I will buy you after now. You won't be here. Because I hate explaining things to idiots who will never understand. I am not the owner of the... See, my popularity is a privilege. It's just a privilege granted to me by God. Now, when you talk about Nwago didn't settle me for anything. Nwago only invested in our community. And I say thank you for doing this. Nwago is blessing lives in our place. And if I don't talk about it, I don't know how you will feel. I don't know. People are very, very stupid. People are very, very stupid. Well, let me get this person's picture first. This Cynthia Amara. What did you share again? Matonda Bawagi she that place. You be idiot. And if you go to Kundum, you don't care. Your interest about Kigishime, Gazayon, Egabakula, Egatuari, Kigi that place. You go Tonda. Well, let me block you. Tonda Babu Kwage that place. Next idiot. Bring another one up. Very stupid people. They don't have sense at all. They don't have common sense. Common sense don't reign in you. This boy now had the only two sons. The only two sons. And I think the father, wait, let me ask. I think Urube a year ago. What is the condition of this young man's mother right now? In my conscience, the same thing you have wished an ordinary man, I wish it unto you and your family. Because of religion. Thunder babu, many of you know one sense. Where's show me another idiot, come show your blog. Very stupid people, no one sense. I'm calling you from a live section, chairman. This I'm going to get from a live video. That boy, I compare some time ago, Abi. Ebe or last year or last 2 years. Last 2 years, compare one.
Last 2 years late. Towards ending of last 2 years,
And we get okay now. Okay, wapara.
Yeah.
And when anything okay community.
So they got around small children. They got around they can like I want to take like to the family. Because Mpia was a pastor before the man.
Mpia, yes, someone Mpia will be a pastor. Before the man. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Oliver, get out from this page. Come on, get out from here. It's time for come on, get out. Come on, get out from here. They are very stupid people. Oh yeah, next person. Get out. Come on, get out from this page. Very stupid people. They will never accept the truth. They are ready to insult anybody. That is the worst. And they are not ready to accept truths. No matter how you describe it. What are you? Is there anything on earth more valuable than human life? You cannot, at least the heart of human should not get associated to religion. To anything, I am more, even I talk about God more than you. I respect the ordinations of any collar man or clergyman. I respect it. But not when it has to do with life of an innocent young man. Do you actually see the age of this boy? Do you actually see the age of this boy? Do you just check the age of this young boy? What I just told you that happened. If you go and find out that this boy got involved in anything, attacking anybody. Even our, do you know that yesterday it took us calls all through the night. If you go to our WhatsApp platforms, it took us all through the night to calm our youth, to calm everybody, even till this morning. We had to calm them till this morning. You cannot win them in their village. You cannot win them there. But we had to calm them. Everybody ought to be on the call. Some of our brothers, some of our big brothers overseas, everybody was on the call because they didn't want any reaction. Oya, get out from this page, Prince, Jennifer. Oya, get out. Come and get out from here. Akola Bini. This is Ugbo again abroad. You which are bad character abroad. Brazil lot was eba ka get when you have bad and polluted character and you display it here. You think it is easy? You think in a village where we have not less than 2,000 or 3,000 youths, you think it is easy to calm them to watch you peacefully? You think it is easy? It takes a louder voice to speak to them to keep quiet. It's not as if our people are afraid. They are not afraid of anything. Otherwise, if they want to take laws into their hands, that Hilos will not go. It's just one Hilos. They can't go. In our market square, you can't cross. You cannot go. People are so stupid. This whole thing you have heard here, are you not supposed to have made your findings to know exactly if what we are telling you is lies or truths? And at the end of the day, just can you imagine your younger brother? This was at the hospital. You see our youth machines everywhere, motorcycles. They had to come there, wait. They were there till this morning. I know that the boy went one. They don't send young boy went one. I told me go see where youth never went. You see our youth everywhere. It took God to calm these people over the night. Our brother, how will you feel when you get a call that police in your village, unknown police just came into your village and shot a young man? I told me go say Bamakanobo here. An innocent young man. This boy Bode, at this age, look at his picture I tagged there. At this age, this boy runs to feed his mother and his younger ones. His father died last year. His father died as a pastor. So, of course, he should know that there was no money in the family. This is making it the second time. This is making it the second time. And Ngor-Okpala on the same guides. Nahana guide there. Our youth are not coming there to disturb you. Our people are not coming there to disturb you. They've never will make sure that we talk to them. Nobody should go there and stop anybody from doing work. You can do your work while we proceed through due process of courts. Nobody. All brother, please. As soon as this boy, you won't hear me talk. You won't hear some of us talk. We won't say anything. We will never support. Even empty bags cement. But not when you come into our community. At the market square. Well, AK-47, Babu a young man like this, Babu a young youth like this. Babu a young youth like this, in the name of your own religion, in the name of your own, his own father's land. His own father's land. You think these things will go out of our mind? You think, you commenter, you think these things will go out of our mind? You think it is possible for our people to forgive and forget about these things? You think it's possible? The next 20 years, you think it's possible to forgive and forget about these things? How possible is it? Maduke, stay where you are, comment whatever you like. But I want you to take this to heart. There's an adage in our place that says now, Oriramu Ebula, Jibi Ogwa. Onobula Riramu Ebula, Jibi Ogwa. That's the way it is. We've lost one, just like that, innocently. If you go and do your findings, this young guy will even commit. This boy in particular, if you go and find out that this boy, without fabricating anything, if you go and do your findings, say when you hear this boy commit, just how do I say it? In fact, if there is an opportunity to terminate my life, do it. Do it. If you go and find out that when you hear this boy at this age, he committed, lay his age, look at his picture, man, okay, small boy. Only I go bring my 40 younger brothers. Lay condition our brother. They condition our brother. An innocent young man. I told me go save our water. An innocent young man. An innocent young man. Hold on. Go up with the boy water. I struggle again to this boy cheerful. As in, or delete. Till the boy were on one. Everybody and laughs. Hold on, I don't want to show the boy bottle. Attack the boy say now. For nothing. For nothing. Na lanne. Utaka. Unushiji. His blood has been laid at the foundation of your church. This is another second blood of our indigene, whose blood has been used to lay the foundations of whatever you're doing. Congratulations to you, hunters. Congratulations. We will never forget. We will never forget. There. Here we youths, son of the soil. Okay, Chibike, goodbye from this page. All of you are mad people. At your age, you don't have conscience. Before then, let me tell you, your name is Chibike Slivanus. By the gallows of the Shadamite, where I sit as one, the same thing you rejoice upon this young man. In less than 365 days, worse than this comes to you. Your name is Chibike Slivanus. Relax. The same thing you wished. This young man will even commit. This young man will even commit against anybody, against them there. No, but this boy, Graga, may have anything in that place. Then ya de Kurala till the end of my life entirely. But this boy, the innocent. Now his own community market square, his own village market square, where this boy potra. Even their own village is even far a bit. They are the last people you get from Untu. They are the last people. They are the last people. Now his own market square cannot babo this boy. Or if I not babo this boy, now his own father's land. And they say no the game man. They say no the game man because of some things you have believed about certain religion. Obrona this boy akia de ocha. Ewebo this boy ordinarily. As many as you who celebrate his death because of your religion, oh yerutegi, it comes to you. Abandon to Kaibo. Oh yerutegi. Because it will get to you. This boy hoshi or gatadea or for any police or anybody at all in our village, mobo stranger or anybody may embarrass anything whatsoever. If this boy had done any of that, mobo for mother sake ordinary a common phone here, we know him. Ihe obodo na alụrụ ọgụ bụ onye ha makarate ọfụma. This boy, for Ala Igbo, he has no problem. This boy, the innocent, and you people allege things on our people, just can't one after the other. The same thing you wish them will come to you. It will come to you. It's a matter of time. That is how nature and karma works. That is how it operates. It doesn't matter how long it takes. It doesn't matter. But what matters is, ihe onye support ya rubere ya. You keep your doors open for tomorrow. Whatever you have supported, let it get to you. If this young man Garagazuoshi na Zion, if this young man from the police in Kete made him embarrassed, if this boy had ever seen anybody Rugorodi Agakose we amewe ha attack, then Chineke kwela kam dendo. But innocently, they came to our village innocently, just like that. Even as I heard, in one village had an argument. Not even from this side, not even from our side. I'm not talking about the women, our mothers. You need to see this thing with your eyes. This particular team who white he lost. Now for our mothers in the farm and collect banga from them. Before God Almighty, go and verify this, and I'm telling you. Apia mama di afo mama do ni mo re achofia from there, and you're comfortable with that. Igbo. Aberuna social media don't try yakunu kuchie hono. Not when I am there. It's not possible. Lay our brother, lay young man, Nerube 30 years at this little age. At this little age, lay a young man at this little age. A Nigerian security lifted up AK-47. We in that village here. Leobara, so kucharanika this young boy. Let Nikoti, for him to have worn this nika, he's a very small boy. This is what we've been saying. Nanya, utago kechuku si onwo na village ya, na manne ya. So the people of Mbishi and Ndomodago, Ndentu, it is left for you. It is left for you. Adonye monyoga bozechi. And on abohame henda ni heji ego haji wuruwuru ha kpuchie ya. Ị ga kwenu he Reverend Father ahụ ga-ikwu ni. Ị ga kwe ho ga kwe gbareba nyebe some of you bribe, zoba some of you bribe no unu je me video, unu je kwuo nke unu tikanta motion ebe egburu nwanne gi. And giri ego ahụ if you are equal to onye charala ahụ nwanne ahụ no na mortuary ugbe arie. You are equal to that. That's it. And when you see her, ala. And when you see kwụsị nobody nwere onye ga-emewu nke ahụ. Enwere onye ga-eme ya. Let's assume na ọ bụ na Kogi State ka eje rụ headquarter church ha, or even in Lagos. Ha nwee ike iwelite afọ egbe by anybody. Then you can keep quiet. Fulani is dealing with you guys and you target Zion. You see how stupid they are? You see how stupid? Oh no, they and how foolish many of you they. You see how stupid many of them are. I believe people will respond to you here since you don't have conscience. I wish you people what you wish people. I wish you whatever you wish our people. I wish it to you. It may take time, but it will come to you. And any day, anybody in your family, that day, nature gives you illness. Because all he deserves. Very heartless people. They are more wicked than in the Fulani. They are more wicked because, let me even say this in confidence. Do you know that in my community we've lived with in the Fulani? Are you aware? This is not joke. Adema Agwagi play. From the distance from my house to power line, Oru 4 poles. In the Fulani not there. Even as I speak to you now, their cows not there. Even Agram face here has CCTV. They shifted inside. He made an attack for 1 day. Because Ukwamari is here. The 2 or 3 times I hear Billy Lacho for Chahana village, they left humbly. Between the headers now and somebody who claims he brought religion to us, what is happening? You people will never accept the gospel truth because your eyes has been blindfolded. Go and do your findings over this thing I have just reported to you. Without this, you won't see me talk about it. I just decided to ignore them. And if I follow the character of people self, I wouldn't even talk about it. But let me tell you one thing. People, you can't shut me up. That's for sure. That's one thing you should know. The Commissioner for Lands, Imo State, could not shut me up. It just one video, or Baragamiwe video. And I'm not, today I'm not afraid of him. Our brothers are not afraid of him because all Wolo we are. Mr. Governor Ezioku, these fake pastors that have been paying you to talk evil to destroy Evangelist Ebuka Obi, go and tell them that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is Kineko, indestructible. Okay. To you, young man, God's son, Nwachukwu, before the gods of my land, before Alantu, before Alomopo, who made the heavens, who has existed before my forefathers, before God Almighty you call. Obuma anybody kukwaran 1,000 from Kembo Wabidruti today. If anybody has ever paid me even 200 naira, if anybody has ever influenced me, if anybody has ever paid me kobo, or even influenced my conscience on the call, even from my village, to speak ill of Ebuka Obi or any man of God at all. If anybody has ever paid me kobo or influenced my conscience, if you go to this boy Shedoro, let it not exceed me also this month. But Obroma, nobody has ever paid me anything that I curse heavens, nature, everything you eat, in provocation of the blood of this young man to follow you. That's my wish for you. Because you people don't accept the gospel truths. Can I screenshot your name? That we may know. If anybody has paid me 1,000, any amount of money, to speak on behalf of them, even my community, if anybody has ever paid me kobo to speak against Zion, or to speak in favor of Zion, if anybody has paid me any kobo, if I've ever sat in a meeting where they say let them pay you any amount of money at all to speak against Zion, if anybody has paid me kobo ever before, may I not see the end of this month. I provoke the altars of nature where I believe as one. If anybody has paid me any kobo, even to the grave of my mother, to speak against who? Zion, me? Or collect money to speak in favor of the state government? This is live camera. No politician in Ngor-Okpala has ever paid me 1,000 before. Nobody has paid. I challenge all the politicians in Ngor-Okpala, even in River State I am closer to 1 or 2 persons here in River State. Not even couple from anywhere. Go and ask. Somebody just commented, okay, Dozie, they know me. We're from the same place. But if nobody has ever paid me any couple to influence my conscience, even on the social space, nobody has paid me anything to speak against anybody. It has never been done and cannot happen. Try before. Even a provoke the grave of my mother. But without so, you see many of you have an email. We know what to do as a people. We know what to do as a people. This young man, just like that. This is the second time. This is the second time. The other one, you see the way we kept quiet. We tried to mind what we say or there about. We avoided so many things. This is how people talk out, and you get out from this page, God's son. I've screenshotted your account already. After the face away, head yanelu. Admit threat nigga, but after now, check your life after now. Check it after now. Because so you're blocked from this page for now. You won't even see way to come back and apologize for this. About a village, I grab all your land free of charge. Ebuka your brother. At the same time, and people expect you to keep quiet. These things you guys are asking for. Bruno Haji Ebema, no Haji retaliate this morning. Ya Bruno Haji, ya Bruno River State here. They don't retaliate since night. They don't retaliate already. But we try to manage the situation. We try to calm our people. There is no way you can win us. There is no way you can win our people. Even the Honorable Commissioner for Lands cannot win. Oh man. I say, will you from Bishielu? Ogemetuli Aka. Ogemetuli Aka is the son of the soil. Ogemetuli Aka is a challenge I'm giving to him. Ogemetuli Aka. Aputanam Bishi, see, will you not from Bishi? Everyone never want from Metiaka. Ogemetuli Aka. Can he touch it? Ometiaka, you are not 24 hours. Metuli Aka. Some people who once sold our people betrayed them like this. And on a stroke bed the past 12 years now. Now you go there special. Okay, Ruo, nde umunnaga kola ge nkwata nkwa ga no there. Doesn't matter. The onye Ngor-Okpala or onye Mbishi cannot just rise, buru egbe ga to areba. No, can't. They don't try that. Besides, I'm with anybody in our place. Jiri egbe, je rob anybody, or iji egbe, je anybody attack. We will deal with you. We will deal with you decisively, because if you will make attack a stranger, you will use it to attack your brothers. And that's one thing we try to curtail. But naturally, between the ambit of the law and the steps towards what is right, you will be dealt with. It doesn't matter the time it takes. How on earth do you think Nanden Tuga forget to do this boy? How on earth do you think in life, or what the guys say commenting or anywhere or anything? There's no problem. How on earth do you think that on Easter Sunday, while people were celebrating Christ, celebrating the Passover, we enter the Passover with Nabe Ababu Ngor-Okpala. The wife, a widow, is busy today. The wife of this our brother is busy today, struggling, Catherine, Nebu Maka, Nania, everybody. The police is safe at Duaria, Nekwezi at 3 million naira. Hold on, let me show you. This is the video. This is the first victim. There. Ka bụ nwunye ya na ụmụaka ya. Ka a different young man. I know you don't have conscience. I know your religion. Your church is more important than truth. You see? In the morning, poor members of the anti-vax unit who also comes that they are managing, controlling villagers not to invade. Invade where? Biakwana village, this young man, Boya on last Easter. Today, we have another one. Their hunters have killed. We have another one. Their hunters have killed. We have another one. So we will leave you here. I just came here to bring you this information. Came to bring you this information. What they have done. The gospel of Jesus was laid on a solid rock. The gospel of your religion is laid on the solid blood of our people. And forcefully grabbing intimidations to them. Heaven did not shut over our people. And heaven will never shut against them. It is only your wickedness that has been spreaded over them. There comes a day, I repeat this my parable. Each time I talk to you, I will always say this. There comes a day, another man who does not know Pharaoh, who does not know the agreement you had with Pharaoh, who does not even care to know the agreement you had with Pharaoh, will rise. And when he rises, his people will get freedom. His people will win. Only time will it take.